monomial, binomial, trinomial, and polynomial. Okay, ta monomial lana khandi chikla lagore, binomial lana khandi chikla lagore, trinomial lana khandi chikla lagore, and polynomial lana khalagore. So our first topic is monomial, right? Ta monomial lana khandi chikla lagore ta. Okay, so monomial let's say one term in expression. Kisi expression nanglo la term chikyo. If there is one term in expression, if there is one term in expression, then it is known as monomial. For example, 3x, for example 9y, for example 11xy, for example p, okay, for example 4pq. Now these are one term. 3x dikare term chik kajikesho 3x la or kanza term chik, 9y dikora khare term chik re, 11x y dikora khare term chik re, 4pq dikora khare term chik re. So monomial nala khala olna one term in expression, that expression nanglo term chik yuna, then it is known as a monomial. If there is a one term in an expression, then it is known as monomial. Now our next topic is binomial. Now binomial means two terms in expression. Kisiler expression nanglo la term ni na, then it is known as binomial. For example, okay, 2x plus 3y. Okay, next example, for example 7xy plus 8z. Now here we have this is 2x is a one term plus 3y is another term. So one term plus one term, then it will become two terms, right? Terms ni this positive sign ki kharto ngi dui term ni paru layawa chi horta positive ine re negative ine pen shashan atada 3xy minus 4. This is again a negative sign dita positive sign dikhar yawa chi hore ranzola terms dinzo yawa chi hor. This addition and subtraction differentiate the terms. 2x plus 3y is your binomial, 7xy is a one term, plus 8z is another term. So two terms in expression is known as a binomial. Go to say, understood? Okay, now next we have a trinomial. The trinomial lana khala olana three terms. Tri lawasam ki khala olana three terms in an expression. Three terms in expression. Expression nanglo la term sumina, then it is known as trinomial. For example, if there are three terms in expression, then it is known as trinomial. For example, okay, 3x square plus 4xy plus 6. So 3x square is a one term, 4xy is another term, and 6 is other term. So we have a one term plus second term plus third term. So three terms in expression is known as trinomial. Let's take one more example. Okay, 9xy minus 3y minus 4. This is also a expression, but it is a negative, right? Here it's positive, and here it's negative expression. So trinomial lana khande chik lagone terms sumina. Okay, now we are going to talk about polynomial. Polynomial lana khande chik lakhogor any number in the any number loud. Polynomials means any number, right? It could be monomial, it could be binomial, it could be trinomial, right? In polynomial, number of terms can be 1. In polynomials, number of terms can be 2. In polynomials, number of terms can be 3. Ta polynomials tanglo lang anso khalle hola na monomial le tsugore, binomial le tsugore, trinomial le tsugore eler. Goes say. Okay, ta penchashana example chikte hoy na. Okay, monomial, binomial, trinomial all comes under the polynomial, right? First thing, all the monomial, binomial, trinomials comes under the polynomial. Now I'll give you example. For example, 4x plus 7y plus 2z plus 3. How many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? I already told you that polynomial means there could be any number. It could be 1 number, it could be 2, it could be 3, it could be 4. But polynomial doesn't means there are 4 what? Terms. Polynomial lana ya inchi 4 terms re lagomar 4 terms re lagomar. Polynomials nanglo la monomial le tsugore, binomial le tsugore, trinomial le tsugore. But polynomial doesn't means 4 terms. Goes to say. Hello everyone, our next topic is like terms and unlike terms. The like terms and unlike terms. So like terms means whose algebraic expression, algebraic factors are same. Whose algebraic factors are same. Let's see if you have terms like 4x, if you have term like 2x, if you have a term like negative 7x, if you have a term like negative 46x. All these are like terms. Why? Because variable is same, right? Whose algebraic factors are same means whose variable is same. See, 4x variable is x, 2x variable is x, negative 7x variable kare do x rida, negative 46x variable kare do x rida. So these are like terms. Now unlike terms means unlike terms means whose algebraic factors are not same, right? Whose algebraic factors are not same. Let's take an example. Okay, for example, we have 4x comma we have a 5xy. Now here it's unlike term. Why? Because here the variable is x, 4x, and here the variable is xy, which clearly shows that these are different, right? So these unlike terms means whose algebraic factors are not same, and like terms means whose algebraic factors are same. Goes to say. Now, where is the use of like terms and unlike term? Ta unlike term, ta like term kachi pheje khale yurera khale use chive. When we are adding or subtracting the like terms, ta like term dinso yamena like term dinso domdu zamba, yamena like term dinso thindu zamba, ani like term ta unlike term dinso pheje yormanso. How go say? Where is the use of like term and unlike term? On adding and subtracting the like terms. For example, 4x plus 7x. Now, both are what? Both are like terms. Why? Because the variable is same. One is 4x and the other is 7x, right? So when these are, first of all, this is like term and we are adding it, right? So it will become 11x. So like term. Now we will take one more example of unlike term. 4x plus 5xy. Now this is unlike term because the answer is remain same because these are not like terms. So answer is remain same and it is unlike term. Now we are going to add like terms. Topic is addition of algebraic expression. Our next topic is addition of algebraic expression. The algebraic expression is add contest. How we are going to add the algebraic expression? See, I'll give you one example. Suppose 4x plus 7y and 6x plus 8y. Till now, we add like this. Now we are going to add this 4x plus 7y plus 6x plus 8y. Now we are collecting the like terms here. Like terms in Sonyamdo. Now 4x and 6x are like terms and 7y and 8y are like term. Now we are collecting it. So we will write like 4x. So 4x plus 6x dinyam dosha any 7y plus 8y. Now 4x plus 6x means these are like term. Now these are like term. Now it's very easy. 4x plus 6x is 10x plus 7y plus 8y is 15y. So this is your answer. Till now we add like this. Now we are going to add these number in row. Thandabado anzo? Inde chin dom dan jang thandabado inde chin kyangya dom dere zile dum bible. Tang anzo sinda kewala khandes jangar lana ta number dinso row la khandes dom gi me. So we are going to learn how we are going to add these number in rows. Go to say example di. For example, if I have given you one question, this is your NCERT book question. NCERT example. Suppose I give you one example. Tata example dikhate na 4xy plus 5yz minus 3zx. Now 4yz plus 9zx minus 4y and next negative 3xz plus 5x minus 2xy. So this is your NCERT example. Now we are going to add these three numbers in a row. So first of all, what we will do, we will copy the first expression as it is. So your first expression is 4xy plus 5yz minus 3zx. Goes to say, so expression thangbo di khadu ine marang ja share. Now we are keeping these in like term. Ta like term la share ta. Ta expression you al ta dar. Expression you aji number thangbo di kharu 4yz rida. Ta yz term di khal do thangbo la minda. You al da cheza khar share nganzo. We are keeping 4yz. So it's positive 4yz any plus 9zx. So zx is here, right? So plus 9zx, and we don't have a y term, so we'll keep y over here. Y minta chesang anzo y di this pajala share. Goes to say, similarly we are writing negative 3xz. Ta okay, xz lane re zx lane re thenda chikpa ra, which means 4 2s are 8 lane digore, or you can say that 2 4s are 8 lane digore ra. Xz equals to zx. So here it's negative 3xz. So you can make it as a negative 3zx. So you can keep it here negative 3zx. Now see, where is 5x? Is there any term of x? No. So we will keep it here. We will write here that is 5x, and next is negative 2xy. So here it's negative 2xy. Goes to say, tang anzo sangma tisa re inde. Tisa sambata khashire tomere. Now we are going to add these. We arrange these three different expressions in a row and in a like terms. Now we are going to add these. So here the answer is plus 5x. Here it's negative 4y. Here it's positive 9zx. Here it's negative 3zx. Here is negative 3zx, which means negative 6zx. And negative 6zx plus 9zx, your answer is positive 3zx. Why it is positive 3zx? Because 9 is a greater number. 9 minus 6 is negative. Positive 9 minus 6 is always positive 3. And 5 plus 4 is 9. So plus 9yz and 4xy minus 2xy is always positive 2xy. Why it is positive 2xy? Because 4 is the greater number, and in front of 4 there is a positive sign. So positive 4 minus 2 is always positive 2. So 2xy plus 9yz plus 3zx minus 4y plus 5x. This is your answer how to add the algebraic expression in the row. Goes to say, algebraic expression the row nanglola